Hey, have you heard about the CUI incident that happened in October 2002 in Mississippi, United States? Did you know that that specific CUI incident indirectly caused a fire and explosion, leading to a major financial loss and environmental incident? If you are interested in learning about this specific incident, there is a link in the text, and it takes you to our blog, and it provides you all the details about this specific incident with all the references. Corrosion under insulation led to the rupture of a steam line, and the steam leak heated MNT line inside a distillation column, leading to a fire and explosion at the facility. Now the question is, what have we learned from this incident? During your risk assessments, have you considered all of the consequences of a leak based on the exact location of that equipment? We are RBI CUI, and we produce unique courses related to RBI and different corrosion mechanisms, courses that you can't find anywhere else. We have just released a comprehensive course called RBI in Corrosion Under Insulation, and I strongly recommend you to take this course if you are interested in learning more about RBI and corrosion mechanisms like corrosion under insulation. There's a link in the text for this post, and you can click on it and it will take you to the page that provides you more information about that course. See you in the course.